When we were young, the refrigerator was new to us. Later, the fridge was constantly changing, but still new. When we grew up, the refrigerator was a demand. We hoped that freshness and happiness could be conserved within the fridge. TCL Integrated Inverter Air-Cooled Refrigerator. Home is a warm sunshine, is a design taking you back to the true nature, is a design bringing you the true enjoyment of nature. Taking DSC Intelligent Control System as the core, combined with 5 core technologies: fast cooling, small temperature difference, super energy saving, low noise. Specially designed DSC Smart Chip is the CPU of TCL Integrated Inverter Air-Cooled Refrigerator. Combined with eddy current type adaptive frequency conversion fan, automatically adjusts the air volume and wind speed. Patented anti-backflow design, maximizing the cooling capacity. Exclusive patented smart wind design, intelligent perception and delivering wind scientifically, quickly achieving uniform cooling in the refrigerator. The storage compartment uses biofilm moisturizing technology, so that water is fully poured. The humidity reaches a dynamic equilibrium at 90%. AAT negative ions nutrition and freshness preservation patent, permanently released in the whole storage space, providing the 360-degree freshness preservation for the ingredients. -1 degree centigrade constant temperature freshness lock-in, precise micro-frozen, tailored fresh storage, giving the ingredients an exclusive home. The dry and moist are stored separately. The dry zone preserving freshness, dry but not arid. Wet zone dynamic balanced moisturizing. Fruits and vegetables keep moist. Exclusive mother and child space. One key intelligent design. Ultra large freezing space. Magic space combination. One key smart frozen. Preserving the authentic taste of ingredients. Open and humanized storage design for special foods. Layered storage. Easy access, no tainting. TCL Integrated Inverter Air-Cooled Refrigerator provides special exclusive storage spaces for particular luxury wine, high-grade tea, Chinese herbal medicine. TCL Intelligent Identification Technology brings nature back to the refrigerator, achieves a fresh and smart life. Best air cooling. Just choose TCL. TCL Integrated Inverter Air-Cooled Refrigerator. TCL.